Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got another TV unboxing for you. This time it's the LG Nano80 series. So we're gonna open this up, take a look at what comes inside the box, and then give you our first initial impressions. So stay tuned. So here we have all the accessories that come in the box, starting off with all the paperwork, and then next to that is a power cord for the TV, the newly redesigned Magic Remote, along with some batteries. Then to the right of those are some cable management parts. The little gray pieces there clip onto the back of the pedestal feet and hide some wires. And you have a packet of screws, and then finally the pedestal feet themselves. So we've got the TV all set up. It does have two different pedestal configurations, which I was really happy to see. We've got it in the wide one right now, but it does have the ability to be a little more narrow, so it's gonna fit on a narrower TV stand. So that was great to see on this one. Colors are fantastic. It's a NanoCell TV, so I wasn't really expecting a whole lot less. There was a little dirty screen effect. When you look at a full gray screen, it's not completely uniform, but when you're actually watching an image on it, it looks fantastic. So overall, first impressions are great for this one so far. We're gonna do a full overview to kind of go over more of the finer details of the TV, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. But as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.